In this demonstration, we're going to show you how you can work with quite large files within the CluedIn platform. So I'm going to find a file just on my local machine here that's of quite a relatively big size. So let's take something like, we're going to import our files. And you can see that first of all, it's saying a maximum size of 1 gigabit. Now this is just the actual default. This can be configured to be as large as you absolutely need, but as soon as we're working with large files like this, there's often a better way to handle this, such as our integration with our ingestion endpoints, or maybe directly pulling the data from a database or one of our connectors. But in this case, we're going to leave the default of 1 gig, and then we're going to upload a rather large file. In this, you can see it's around 156 meg, so it has hundreds of thousands of rows in it. Let's create a new folder called large, and we're going to upload this to the CluedIn platform. And you can see that rather quickly, it's uploading that data, but we can also pause this at any moment that we want. And we can either cancel this or we can have the file continue. This is how we can support uploading large files, and we can always just continue this, and you can see that now it's continued, my file is available, we can go through, and it's going to continue processing this data into the CluedIn platform so we can start to preview it. If we click through to our preview mode, you can see as the data continues to load, it's going to still load and give me a preview of the data sets, even though we haven't processed all the data within the CluedIn platform. So we can actually right now continue on and map the data, start to clean the data, run validation rules. And this is just another way that CluedIn shows how agile and quick it is to get up and running, even with large files as well.